If you're managing a growing business and in search of a CRM, what truly matters is finding a solution that combines essential features with affordability. In that case, Close and Capsule CRM deserve your attention. Both are built with small to mid-sized businesses in mind. However, choosing between them depends on crucial factors: how each handles leads, structures the sales pipeline, and incorporates automation tools. From CRM Central, we've carefully analyzed both Close and Capsule so you can clearly identify which one aligns best with your long-term business goals. Let's begin with their interface. Once you log into Close, you'll see a vertical sidebar on the left side of the screen. It organizes essential areas such as leads, contacts, and opportunities, while also giving access to smart views, integrations, and settings. This structure is thoughtfully designed for efficiency and easy navigation that results in a smoother, more intuitive experience overall. Capsule takes a slightly different approach. It places its navigation bar at the top of the screen, grouping together features like people and organizations, sales pipeline, projects, and calendar and tasks. It looks simple, which is great for beginners, but the downside is that not everything is visible at a glance. The icons alone don't provide immediate clarity on what each section contains. Another small shortcoming is the absence of a dedicated Leads tab, which feels like a missed opportunity for a CRM platform. Where Close really stands out is in how it displays data. Its smart views highlight critical tasks such as who to call today, which leads haven't been contacted, and which deals might need attention. This structured visibility gives Close an advantage over Capsule in terms of user experience and overall ease of use. For small teams, managing contacts can quickly become overwhelming without a proper system. Capsule attempts to solve this by letting you organize contacts as either individuals or organizations. You can connect them, add notes, store emails, and access a detailed interaction history. However, it doesn't treat leads as a separate entity. They're simply tied to contacts, which may limit flexibility for fast-paced sales environments. Close approaches this with more precision. It separates leads and contacts into distinct sections. Each lead has its own dedicated space containing all related contacts, emails, calls, and deal details. This makes it much easier to differentiate between new prospects and long-term clients. In the contacts section, you can view everyone associated with those leads, which is especially helpful when collaborating with client teams. Although Close doesn't offer a standalone organization section, it compensates by pulling contact suggestions directly from your email and allowing custom fields to store the information that matters most to your workflow. A cluttered sales pipeline makes it hard to know what's complete, what's in progress, and what needs immediate attention. Capsule addresses this with a visual pipeline that's both easy to use and functional. It uses a Kanban board to show where each deal stands. At the top of every stage, you'll see key metrics like conversion rates, total deal value, and the number of opportunities in each step. You can drag and drop deals, apply filters, and even add a dashboard view to monitor team performance at a glance. Close provides more flexibility for data-driven teams. You can switch between views to compare actual versus expected deal values, manage multiple pipelines simultaneously, and use smart views to filter specific deals. While Close doesn't feature an in-pipeline dashboard, its reporting capabilities, such as the activity comparison and opportunity funnel reports, deliver those insights in greater depth. You can even save these reports as smart views for quick reference later on. Manually handling follow-ups or repetitive tasks can consume valuable time. Capsule offers automation features that allow you to create sequences, like sending emails or updating project stages when a deal moves forward. However, its automation options are fairly linear. You can't modify senders dynamically or adjust workflows based on how a lead responds, which makes it somewhat limited. Close, however, elevates automation to a higher level. Its workflow system lets you change senders for each step, set custom delays, and trigger actions depending on a lead's response. Enrollment is fully automatic, which means you don't have to manually assign leads to each workflow. Moreover, Close's integrated power and predictive dialers automatically run through your lead lists, so your team connects only with people who actually answer. For sales teams that prioritize speed and responsiveness, Close clearly takes the lead here. Capsule extends beyond standard CRM operations with a project section that integrates with its calendar and tasks. The projects board follows a Kanban layout that allows you to drag and drop tasks as they progress through different stages, like to do, in progress, and completed. The calendar view provides a clear overview of upcoming work, and you can link specific tasks to the right people or deals, which ensures no detail slips through the cracks. Close manages project-related activities differently. Instead of a separate projects module, it treats them as custom activities under each lead. While this setup offers flexibility, it lacks a centralized project board, which can make tracking multiple projects slightly cumbersome. You can still search, filter, and organize activities effectively, but it's not designed for full-scale project management, especially when transitioning from sales to delivery. When it comes to tracking what was said during a call, reviewing call records is often the most reliable method. Capsule doesn't include a built-in calling tool, instead recommending third-party integrations like CrispCall to handle recordings and sync that data back into the system. Close takes a more integrated route. It comes with its own calling feature known as the Call Assistant. This AI-driven tool automatically records calls longer than 30 seconds, summarizes the conversation, and attaches it to the relevant contact or lead. You can search transcripts by keywords and share summaries with your team for better follow-up. If your business depends heavily on phone interactions, Close makes it significantly easier to keep every conversation documented and accessible. For any business, reports are crucial to understanding performance and progress. Capsule provides two main report types: activity and sales. These help track completed tasks by user or activity type, analyze win-loss trends, and, in higher tier plans, view data by team or deal owner. The layout is easy to interpret, but somewhat limited for deeper analysis. Close, on the other hand, offers a more extensive reporting suite. It includes 6 specialized reports: activity overview, activity comparison, status changes, opportunity funnel, explorer, and sent email. These give you a granular look at every performance metric, enabling you to compare results over time and sync data with your business intelligence tools. No matter if you're identifying why deals are stalling or measuring sales productivity, Close provides the depth and flexibility needed to make informed decisions. Now comes the final question: which CRM should you choose? Both Close and Capsule bring strong value to small and mid-sized businesses, but their strengths lie in different areas. Close focuses heavily on sales execution, offering advanced automation, integrated communication, and detailed reporting. Capsule, meanwhile, keeps things simple and user-friendly, ideal for teams that want structure without complexity. If your business thrives on speed and data insights, Close is the stronger choice. But if your priority is simplicity, a clean interface, and an affordable price point, Capsule might suit you better. Looking at both feature by feature, Close ultimately edges ahead as the more capable CRM solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.